What initially made you decide to install solar panels for your company?
Simple answer to that is in 2019 we secured a contract for 15p per kilowatt hour. And as we're running down towards the end, which will be this year, the end of October this year, markets were volatile, and we just looked at the solar panels and decided it was a good way to protect ourselves from any hike that will happen in the end of October this year. Even though I've set a 2-year contract, which probably isn't as bad as what we were thinking 2 years ago, the solar panels will help in that situation.
How did you find the overall process?
I can honestly say it was pretty faultless. Dave coming to talk, I can't remember the lady's name, but she was very loose in her explanations. The guy who come, the project manager, actually took me down to the team's first meeting and asked me did I want to join any other further meetings, but it was all pretty smooth.
What are your thoughts on the site team and how they conducted themselves?
Like I say, the guy who was the project manager talked all the way through it, told me what was happening. Obviously we've got forklift trucks driving around the site, wagons coming in, and I think they were very conscious of everything and didn't get in the way. Pretty faultless. Took the breaks, obviously not to interfere with the breaks on the shop floor. Well thought out.
How well did our team communicate with you throughout the project?
Again, I can't remember the guy's name, I'm sorry. It might have been Dave.
Yeah, Dave.
It was a Dave, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Dave was really good, yeah.
What effect has having solar panels had on your business?
Well, obviously, we've got an environmental policy that some of our customers ask us to send to them. And it's nice because, we recycle most of our wood. A lot of it goes to like animal bedding. A lot goes to firewood, logs. And it was nice to add these solar panels to our statement of intent to make ourselves more green. So some customers aren't bothered at all. Some it's a ticking box, but some genuinely are and they've been impressed.
Have you noticed any significant changes in your energy bills since installing the solar panels?
Yeah, around about the summer months, yeah. It does make a difference. I think June, there's a couple of days where we were running on solar, yeah. I mean, it's probably because a couple of machines were stopped, setting up. But, it's pretty impressive a site of this size, yeah. Not to be calling from the grid on occasions.
How was your experience working with Genfit?
Yeah, good. Yeah, Dave, and again, the lady, I'm sorry, what's her name? Lauren.
Yeah, Lauren.
Yeah, Lauren. They are coming back to me. Yeah, two decent people, explain things perfectly. We barters, we negotiators. Obviously, Genfit have got to make money. And I think we're happy with what we got as well.
Is there anything you think we could improve on?
No. I think the test will be, if I've got an issue, how you respond, getting back to me. And that will be the test, but everything's worked pretty perfectly since it's been installed.